Welcome back to Rivers, Ponds, and Campfires. For me, oftentimes the best part of an adventure is the journey itself. There's just a certain excitement about the unknown. Join me on a scenic yet tough hike deep into the backcountry. I'll search for a good location to camp, cook, and maybe even do a little salmon fishing. Meet me by the campfire. Let's get on the go.
Just taking a break now by the side of the river. I've got a lot of gear here because I'm filming. You know, I got my tripod, the camera gear's in the bag. I got my fishing gear, and you know, camping as well because I'm going to be camping, sleeping out tonight. So absolutely exhausting coming in. It was around 30 degrees. I don't know the exact temperature, but I'll check it out. Absolutely just a really hard hike in. So I'm just sitting down, had a bottle of water, and just kind of getting my bearings now before I head back or continue on to where I'm going to be fishing to. Oh. to get the little fire pit grill on the go. I didn't want to have to get any wood or anything for it, so I just fired up the little propane stove, and I got just a little frying pan, so I put the chicken breast in that with some water, salt and pepper, and I just put two thin shale rocks over to keep it heated. Might not look pretty, but it'll do the job. So I think my plan worked actually. I got the food going, and I think just the smell of the food and that, plus the fact that the people that were out there fishing were there a lot earlier than me, they're all headed home. I like to think it's because of the great smells from the chicken that I'm cooking here. This definitely has to be helping. If it wasn't for this here, the rocks that I have on top, the heat would just be escaping. You wouldn't be getting as much heat reflecting back. So, just like a lid on a pot. I'm going to put it with the breast part now down, and I'm going to put it back on the fire, and I'm going to get some more water in there, which is looking really good. I'm going to add some more salt and pepper to it. try something different with the second chicken breast I have. I'm going to put half the potato in with the water that's boiling with the chicken, and later on I'm going to add salt and pepper, be like a little soup or stew. While this is cooking, we'll start getting some fire ready. So lots of fun fishing. Never caught anything. Really slow night. There was 6 or 7 people out. There was one person who hooked one. But other than that, you know, after 2-3 hours on the river, the 7 people that were out there, and there's other people going up and down the river in boats. That's all that I saw. That was hooked. That one. They don't call it the elusive Atlantic salmon for nothing. I was fortunate the very first year that I started salmon fishing, I caught one. I'm after hearing stories of people who salmon fish for years before they actually get the first one. So, a lot of time into it. Flies coming out now, so hopefully when I get the fire going, flies will stay away a bit. Familiar anymore? Hopefully I can get breakfast in now. I'm packing before it starts raining too hard.